I'm going to do a quick video today on how to save seeds from beans. It's really easy to save seeds from beans. They are the gateway seed to seed saving. I like to save seeds from beans because bean seeds are really expensive. You're talking $2 for like 40 seeds. And when you're planting beans 4 inches apart, that's not a lot of space. But if you spend the $2 to grow your beans and save your own seeds, you'll never have to buy beans again. Step number 1 is going to be grow your beans, harvest, and enjoy your beans. Step number 2, leave some beans on your plant. Now I've left a few more than I probably should have here, but that just means I'm going to have a lot of bean seeds for next year. When you leave some beans on the plant, you're going to come through here in the fall and the natural bean reproductive process is taking effect, where a lot of these beans start to dry out. The harvest time is critical to save your bean seeds. We are looking for pods that are dry, and if you shake them, you can hear the beans rattling around on the inside. If they are still green like this, that is a no-go. This pod needs more time. You want to come through here when it's been dry for a couple days. You don't want these pods to have any moisture in them. You just top them off, and I like to take the pods and I throw them into a paper bag. So one pod like this, I have 9 seeds inside it. So I get 4 or 5 of these, and I've got myself a pack of bean seeds that would cost $2. I picked a lot of these off already, but you come over here and look. Just look at all these pods that I have hanging here that I still need to pick. A little basic math will tell us that we're saving a lot of money by leaving some of these beans to go to seed, harvesting them, and replanting them next year. This works with all different types of beans, not just pole beans. Stuff like this is just so important, saving your own seeds. Gardening is really expensive as it is, so we need to find ways to save ourselves money. We're not trying to go broke growing our own food. You can save your bean seeds quicker than it takes for you to go online and buy seeds. I'd say I got enough beans in here for the next couple of years. Here's the most work you're going to have saving your bean seeds. We have to shell them, so you just split it and knock out the seeds. I like doing this onto a paper plate because the next step is to let these dry even further. I'm not going to put any more beans on this plate because I don't want them sitting on top of each other. I'm just going to set these somewhere warm and relatively dry to let them finish drying out for the next 2 weeks. As far as storage goes, this is one of my favorite ways to store my bean seeds. It's just a water bottle with the top cut off, loaded with beans, and I took a paper towel over the top so it still gets a little airflow in there and put a rubber band around it. So these are from 22 and they still sprout great. And like most of my seeds, they just sit here on the furnace. We don't waste anything, so the husks will go inside here in the chicken composting system. Just from that, I figured I got at least a couple $100 worth of heirloom whole bean seeds. I save a lot of different types of seeds, so if there are any requests on seed saving, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends. Make sure you save seeds because we never know when we might not have an opportunity to buy them. Thanks for watching.